Hi guys, welcome to Matisi. Today's topic is operation on functions, and specifically, we are now here in subtraction. But before anything else, allow me to share with you the things that we need to consider in operation on functions, specifically in subtraction. The first one is we need to identify the given. The second one is we need to change the sign of all the terms in the subtrahend. After changing the sign of all the given and subtrahend, the third one is we will go back to the rules in adding of function. In adding of function, we all know that we are just combining like terms, and after combining like terms, we simplify until we get the final answer. At dito na tayo sa example number 1 natin. Meron tayo ditong given na f of x is equal to 5x plus 2 at g of x is equal to 3x minus 1. And we are looking for f minus g of x. Okay, the first step is let us now copy f minus g of x. And then after that, yung x sa labas ng parenthesis, we will distribute that to f and g. And we have f of x, and then yung operator natin, that is minus, and we will distribute x to g, and that will be g of x. This is just to show the relationship between the two functions, which is subtraction. Now, we have f of x is equals to 5x plus 2. Don't forget to enclose the given in parenthesis, and after that, we copy the operator, which is minus, and then the given g of x, 3x minus 1, enclosed to parenthesis, that will be 3x minus 1 here. Dito naman, yung 5x plus 2 as our minuend is kakopy lang natin yan, and then dito na tayo mag-change ng sign sa subtrahend. Dito guys, sa subtraction of functions, wag niyong kakalimutan dahil ito yung pinaka-importanting step na gagawin natin. Ito ay ang pag-change ng sign ng lahat ng terms dito sa subtrahend. Kasi i-distribute natin yung negative sign or yung minus sign dito sa mga terms na nasa loob ng parenthesis o yung sinasabi nating subtrahend. Kagaya nito guys, i-multiply natin yung negative sa positive 3x. So unlike sign sila, kaya magiging negative yung result. So this will be negative 3x or minus 3x. Next is negative times negative 1 will now become same sign, magiging na siyang positive or dito magiging na siyang plus 1. At since na-change na natin guys lahat ng sign sa subtrahend, babalik na tayo sa rules ng addition of functions. At ang i-combine ko dito ay yung 5x at negative 3x. So kagaya dito, i-close ko ulit sa parenthesis, kukunin ko yung numerical coefficient ng x, and that will be 5 minus x. And then, yung constant term natin will be positive 2 and positive 1. I-add natin sila kasi same sign. So dito naman guys, 5 minus 3 will now become 2, then copy natin yung variable x, plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. At ang final answer natin ng f minus g of x ay 2x plus 3. Dito naman tayo sa example number 2 natin. So meron tayong given na f of x is equal to 5x raised to 2 plus 8x minus 7 at g of x na 2x raised to 2 minus x plus 5. At hinhanap natin yung f minus g of x. First step natin, isulat natin yung function. We will be distributing x to f, that will be f of x, and then minus x naman distribute sa g, that will be g of x. And after that, we will now look for our given, that will be f of x. I-substitute lang natin siya guys. So isulat natin dito yung f of x or value ng f of x. And then after that, minus naman, enclose natin ulit sa parenthesis. Yung g of x naman, meron tayong 2x raised to 2 minus x plus 5. Ang kagandahan guys ng pag-i-enclose natin sa parenthesis is hindi tayo na ililito doon sa given o doon sa term na sinasubstitute natin. Dito naman guys, mag-change na tayo ng sign sa subtrahend. Pero bago yan, copy muna natin yung ating minuend. And yung negative natin o yung minus, i-distribute na natin siya sa 2x raised to 2. So negative times positive, that will be negative. So magiging na siyang minus 2x raised to 2. And then yung minus ulit, distribute natin sa negative x. Negative times negative, magiging ng addition yan or plus. So that will be plus x. And then after that, yung minus naman, i-distribute natin sa positive 5. Negative times positive will now become negative. So magiging na siyang minus 5 dito. After that, babalik tayo sa addition of function to combine all similar terms or combining like terms. So dito guys, i-group lang natin lahat na may mga similar terms. Kagaya nitong 5x raised to 2 at negative 2x raised to 2. I-group ko sila. After that, yung naman 8x tapos yung positive x. I-group ko ulit sila kasi same yung variable nila na x. So dito, magiging ng 8 plus 1, then x plus yung constant term natin is negative 7 and minus 5 or negative 5. Iko-combine ko sila kasi sila ay constant term. At sa wakas, magsisimplify na tayo. So 5 minus 2 will now become 3 and then copy yung variable, that is x raised to 2 plus 8 plus 1 will now become 9 and then copy ulit yung variable x. At dito naman guys, sa last term natin, meron tayong negative 7 minus 5. Common sign sila at kapag common sign, mag-add tayo and that will be 7 plus 5 is 12 at copy natin yung common sign and magiging na siyang negative 12. At negative 12 sa loob ng parenthesis times positive, magiging na siyang negative 12. So dito magiging na siyang minus 12. And therefore, our answer will be f minus g of x is equal to 3x raised to 2 plus 9x minus 12. Dito naman tayo guys sa ating last example, meron tayong given na f of x and then g of x. And we are looking for f minus g of x. So ang una natin gagawin is ipakita natin yung relationship ng dalawang function. So that will be f minus g of x. Yung x i-distribute ulit natin sa loob ng parenthesis. Magiging na yung f of x minus g of x. Kung napapansin nyo, meron na tayong function na f of x at g of x. Magda-direct substitute ulit tayo dito. At tandaan, huwag kakalimutang ilagay sa loob ng parenthesis ang dalawang given. Kagaya nito, g of x magiging na siyang sa loob ng parenthesis 2x raised to 2 minus 4x plus 7. Wag nyo yan guys kakalimutan. Dito naman guys sa next step natin, we will now copy the minuend that is 3x raised to 3 plus 2x minus 5. And then after that, dito naman sa subtrahend guys, magdi-distribute tayo o magmumultiply tayo ng minus sign dito sa loob ng parenthesis. And positive 2x raised to 3 will now become minus 2x raised to 3. Negative 4x will now become plus 4x. Positive 7 will now become minus 7. And after that, dito na tayo, babalikin tayo guys sa addition of function. We will now combine all similar terms. At kung napapansin nyo guys, similar term yung 3x raised to 3 at negative 2x raised to 3. So i-group ko yung numerical coefficient nila kasama yung sign at ikakopy ko yung x raised to 3. After that, ito naman positive 2x and positive 4x. I-group ko ulit yung numerical coefficient nila kasama yung sign. So that will be 2 plus 4 and then copy x. And lastly, meron tayong constant term na negative 5 and then negative 7. So, i-group ko ulit sila sa loob ng parenthesis. That will be negative 5 minus 7. Actually guys, pwede nyo naman i-skip ang step na to as long as kayang-kaya nyang i-add o i-subtract yung may mga similar terms. Ginagawa ko lang to para sa step-by-step process. Last step natin guys is to simplify. 3 minus 2 magiging ng 1 and then copy x raised to 3. Plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Copy x. At constant term tayo, negative 5 minus 7, that will be negative 12 kasi common sign. So mag-add tayo. And then negative 12 times positive, magiging siyang negative 12, kaya minus 12 dito. Therefore, our final answer is f minus g of x will now become x raised to 3 plus 6x minus 12. Di ba dali? Math easy. Follow for more.